Hello my dear friends, today I am going to show you how to open a zip file in Windows 10 and Windows 11. And if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribe and like in this video. First you need to go to the location that the zip file is located. In my case, it is in desktop. Then what you have to do is just right click on this folder. Then you will see the method called extract all. Just tap on it and it will ask for the destination of the extracted file. In my case, I like to use it in users desktop and this method. Just tap on extract. Now you can see yeah, it is opened. The extracted folder is appeared here. Double tap on it, and this is the file I extracted uh, in this computer. Yeah, so this is how you can open a zip file in Windows 11 and Windows 10. So if you gain some knowledge from this video, please consider subscribe and like in this video.